Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on water-built LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build, we are going to be building this nice simple little container. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock! Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with the base, and for that we're going to be using 2 of these 2x3 standard base plates. We're going to place them together like so, and for the base we will need a modified tile like this one at the front. Behind that we'll want a 1x2 tile like so, and around the edges here we'll want to add some base plates. So I'm just using these nice small grey base plates like this. Now we're going to make the outer edges of the container, so all you need to do is use standard bricks. You know that you could use also some kind of panel pieces or something like that to expand your container even more, but I'm just using these nice simple bricks. And on this one we will need a side attachment brick, and this will create a little notch to stop the door closing too far. And we're just going to fill in the rest with these standard bricks. Now we're going to bring in a door. You can use any door you like. I'm using this 3 bricks high by 3 bricks door for cars and trucks and stuff like that, but it's also very good for boxes like this one. We just stick it on, and as you can see it opens. Well, actually, you know what, let's add a roof to stop it popping out. So for the roof we're going to make ourselves a little separate base in this grey, these 2x3 standard base plates, and to cross over and make it sturdy, a 1x4 standard base plate over here, and a 2x4 standard base plate like this at the back. Now we're going to bring this back, stick it on like so, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our container is complete, and very nice little simple build. It doesn't need a whole lot of pieces. All you need is a nice door, and as you can see when we open it, remember that these doors also have the handle part the other way around, not like in a proper door, so you will need to lodge your finger in like so. But we open it and we've got a nice flat space in there. Now I got Johnny here, and he's got some of these precious jewels, and he's gonna put those jewels in there like so and close the door, and the notch here will also stop the door from closing in too far. And you can also expand, using more doors to make a big bank of containers for a bank maybe, or something like that. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!